Assalamu alaikum, my sisters and brothers. There are many terrifying signs of the end times mentioned in our authentic sources. But one of the most personal and chilling is a hadith reported by Abu Hurairah, where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man will wake up a believer and sleep as a disbeliever, or he will sleep as a believer and wake up a disbeliever. He will sell his religion for a portion of the dunya." This is not simply about people who commit sins. All of us sin, but this is about a complete shift in identity where a person, due to worldly temptation or pressure, actually abandons the deen. One moment the person is a Muslim, and by nightfall or the next morning they have turned their back on Islam. Imagine the danger of such a time. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam described it as a fitnah, a test so severe that only those with firm Iman and the help of Allah will survive it. Now reflect on today's world. We live in an age where faith is being tested every hour, whether it is through social media, peer pressure, financial challenges, fame, false ideologies, or global trends that call towards disbelief. Iman is no longer something that can survive without effort. The days of Islam being easy or popular are gone. Now Islam is mocked, questioned, and even criminalized in many parts of the world. Because of this, some people abandon their faith often without even realizing it. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam also told us that one of the signs of the hour is that holding on to religion will be like holding on to burning coal. This is the same period where people will flip between belief and disbelief rapidly because their faith is shallow, not rooted in knowledge or submission to Allah. Their religion becomes emotional, not spiritual. It becomes culture, not conviction. My sisters and brothers, look around you. How many Muslims abandon salah for a job or school? How many remove their hijab to be accepted? How many water down Islamic values to avoid being judged by society? Some even support ideologies that clearly oppose Islam, all in the name of progress or tolerance. This is what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam meant when he said he will sell his religion for a portion of the dunya. It doesn't always mean for money. It could be fame, status, comfort, or even attention. We must understand Iman is a gift. It is not something we own by birth. Even the companions of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam who were promised Jannah never felt safe. Omar used to fear dying as a hypocrite. The Prophet himself, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, used to frequently make the dua, "O turner of the hearts, keep my heart firm upon your religion." So what about us? We are living in times when fitnah is coming from every direction. It enters through the eyes, the ears, the hands, the phone, even inside the home. If we do not guard our Iman and feed it regularly with Qur'an, salah, and sincere companionship, it will weaken. And once it weakens, Shaitan can snatch it completely without us even noticing. What can we do? First, we must take Iman seriously. This is not something we can delay for old age. It's not something we should assume will always be there. We must renew our faith every single day. We should say "Ilah," not just with our tongue, but with our heart and actions. Second, we must protect our hearts. What you consume affects your soul. Be mindful of what you watch, who you follow, who you admire. Surround yourself with those who remind you of Allah. Don't keep company with those who mock the deen or belittle its rulings. Every friend you have is either taking you toward Jannah or dragging you toward hellfire. Third, never be arrogant. Don't think this could never happen to me. Many people who left Islam once thought the same. Shaitan enters through pride. Be humble, make dua and seek Allah's help. No one is safe without his protection. Fourth, learn your deen from authentic scholars. When faith is based on emotion or social trends, it cannot survive the storms of confusion. But when it is based on Qur'an, Sunnah, and understanding of our righteous predecessors, it becomes rooted deeply and firmly.